Не слышите?
Ja.
Dobro. Pozdravljeni. Hello. We will also present in English. So we're going to present my colleague and me. So the first part is more architectural part, and the main question of our research, of course, is why do we need to cope with comprehensive building renovation? This is actually a wide area of research. We know that existing buildings are in different states regarding usability, energy efficiency, structural stability, and of course, there is another issue. There is a big shortage of reconstruction and in city areas. So we need to build new usable floor areas, which are not possible to build in new building plots because there are no free building plots in the center of big European cities. So actually, this is also the reason why we are thinking in the direction of building renovation with upgrade modular extension. And another big issue is, of course, that a relatively low percentage of new build construction is representing only 1% of the total housing stock. This means that about 99% of the buildings are existing buildings that need to be renovated or at least maintained. So basically, we deal with different approaches to building renovation, which needs to be comprehensive. But последний slide, prosim. Next slide. But we have focused into, let's say, more energy efficient area. Our research question was, firstly, what is the optimal approach to energy efficiency renovation of the existing building? Yes, and the second, what kind of building extension is appropriate? So we have designed different types of timber glass modules with different U values, with different percentages of roof covering, and with different number of stories. And of course, the basic question is why timber glass modules? Because timber is lightweight material, it doesn't represent additional loads on the building, and glass is really energy efficient material because it allows the solar gains through the glazing to contribute to lower energy demand for heating. And now I would like to continue with the lecture of Professor Rembrandt.
Yes, the second point of this comprehensive renovation is also the structural stability. And as Vesna said, by upgrading of buildings, there is the problem with additional vertical load, which is presented. And the primary is also the additional horizontal load because of wind. And most important is in Slovenia also this seismic action, because Slovenia is very heavy seismic area. So it's very important also by 1 to 3 story buildings to upgrade with the light structures, and timber is a very light material, and because of that we can use timber buildings, predominantly timber frame buildings, which is the most light type of timber building, and by using glass to gain solar gains also in the building. And the next slide, please. Because of that, we developed special timber glass modulus, which was tested in Skopje on ISIS Institute on the shaking table, and we then improve the structural stability, the seismic stability, with anchors, metal anchors. And the most important thing is to put the whole ductility into metal elements, so in these anchors, and especially not in glass, because glass is very conductive and creep material. And we also measured the natural frequencies, and from the results presented on the right side bottom, we can see that there is practically no difference in first frequency before and after seismic shaking table test. And we tested up to 0.5 G. So this is very heavy seismic action. Thank you.
Okay, Professor Premro, sorry for wrong pronunciation. Are there any questions? If not, I'll have a question myself. Standard question of TT officer: are your findings already applied in the real buildings on site?
Yeah, this is a question for me or for Vesna?
For both of you.
Then the lady first, please.
Yes, so basically, all our research is already used in the real projects in, let's say, also in some students' competitions. We have done also for Proholz Austria the projects for middle school in Graz. It was the basis for the later possibilities of realization. It's not that one of our projects was realized, but at least our findings were used in different competitions all over this area of Europe. So we try to use this in practice. And also in one project, IQ Home, we have done such a modular, let's say, modulus, timber glass modulus, and we have additionally tried to research some
But I think we got the most of the answer. So thank you both for the nice presentations, and we will move on to the next presentation. Domen Lishtan from INVIT.